Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to talk about introducing else statements from the basic JavaScript concept. When a condition for an if statement is true, the block of code following it is executed. What about the condition is false? Normally nothing would happen. With an else statement, an alternate block of code can be executed. So here we have an if statement. If number is greater than 10, it should return bigger than 10, else it should return 10 or less. Okay, so combine the if state. You must have got what it is just saying that if the condition in this statement is false, then we need to get output something for the condition to for if the condition is false, then we can use the else statement. So here we need to combine the if statements into a single if else statement. So here we have if, then we have another if, then we have return result. Okay, so instead of using this if we are using else, and we don't need this value at all, because we know that if it is not bigger than 5, then result will be 5 or smaller, and that's it. And if we just run this, so we are getting 5 or smaller. Why are we getting 5 or smaller? Of course it is 4, that is 5. And here we have changed this to else statement, because if the value is not greater than 5, then we have an else statement which is saying that the result is 5 or smaller. So if we run the test, we have successfully completed the test. We will move to the next challenge.